Hey guys, how's it going? Adrian here. For this video I thought I would just grab a bunch of things that I've just picked up in the last month or probably longer and just chuck them all in a video. I wasn't able to get each individual item in a video, so I thought I'd stick them all in. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen a bunch of this stuff already. If you don't follow me on Instagram, your followership would be much appreciated, so find me on Instagram at @myiPhoneKicks and follow me there. This isn't everything I've grabbed. There's some more stuff that I thought I'd chuck in another video, but I thought we'd just get going and get through it. If there's something in particular that you like, that you want to see in more detail, or maybe you want to see an on-feet video or something like that, drop in the comments and let me know. I know that you guys have been asking for some things and I haven't got them yet, but I'll try and get them, okay? So let's get into it. Let's just start with the stuff that you can immediately see. The iPhone 8 Plus is something I've grabbed recently. I could have actually upgraded my phone with my phone plan way earlier in the year, but I knew the new iPhone was coming, as it always does, and I wanted to hang on for that. I upgraded from a 6S to an 8 Plus, so it was a massive jump. The biggest being the portrait mode camera. That's the main reason I went for the 8 Plus over the 8 was really the portrait mode. I didn't really need the extra size, but now that I've got the extra size, it's pretty awesome. So yeah, iPhone 8, been rocking it for a little bit. It's awesome, great phone. Next up, the New Balance 1000 series book. This is a book that was done by New Balance China and some other people, and it's a really awesome book. I managed to see it on Instagram, and the person who owned it was kind enough to put me onto a lead where I could grab the book. It wasn't actually available for sale, but I managed to buy this off the editor who had some left, and really nice book. It's really thick, as you can see. Obviously it has my favorite shoe on the front there, so I had to have it. But just really interesting article. This version is in English and Chinese. I think originally it came out in Chinese, but this is a dual translation, which is cool. And the imagery in this book is just super nice. Some really interesting articles and a lot of good stuff on some of the best pairs of New Balance you can find. So it's cool. If you follow me for a little bit, you know that 1300 is my favorite model. This pair in particular is from 2010. There's still a couple of other pairs from 2010 that I'm searching for. I believe there was 7 pairs that released in 2010, 3 being the Flimby pack, 1 being the JP, the 1300 JP, and actually I don't have that pair, so there's actually 3 pairs I'm searching for. These, and then there was another 2. I think there was like a green colorway and a blue colorway. I believe it was green. Yeah, green and blue. They all released from the UK, but these are really nice. The UK pair is this like really nice shape, and the materials are really nice in the UK pairs, and they'll, you know, a lot of them come with like leather linings and things like that. So I was really stoked to pick up that pair. I got it for a good price. And it didn't come with a box, unfortunately, hence why it's sitting like this. But yeah, still trying to hunt down all those 1300s, and hopefully we'll be able to finish that at some point. What's next? Let's go to these Arcs. I've really been loving what Arc have been doing recently. This is one of their new models called the Spike One, and it's a really cool silhouette. It's quite simple. I think it lends itself more to like a dressy look. It looks really nice with like a crop pair of pants. And yeah, really simple, really nice knitted upper. The colorway is great. I think what Arc do really well is they always get like the colorways really spot on, which is nice. I really like the Hover X1 outsole on this. Looks really nice. And yeah, it's really nice knitted upper, really nice like sock-like fit, and just a good shoe. Another pair from Arc, from the Superior line, so the box is massive. It's got this cool double box. I think variety's great, you know, like Arc is very different to New Balance and classic New Balance that I love, but it's nice to have a bit of variety to throw together a different outfit, or to wear something different, which is cool. So this is the Scorpitex, which is another new model. Again, sock-like fit, full mesh upper, really interesting lacing system on this. and I'm hoping we're getting this autofocus thing working right. The same outsole as they used on other models, like the Raven, which is probably the most popular model. So yeah, really nice shoe, comfortable, lightweight, and all black, so it's a winner. It's got some really nice details on these as well, which is cool. And the boxes and packaging that are put together are always spot on, which is nice. Close that up. Next up, you guys might have seen the collection video from my friend Kevin that I posted up, which is awesome. Got a little bit of flack for the fact that there was a whole bunch of models that I didn't know what they were, and I should have known. But if you don't know, you don't know. But yeah, I loved doing that video. And one of the pairs he had in his collection that I believe I'd actually seen before, but I sort of forgotten about, and really sparked my interest, was this M71. And it's got a Vibram outsole. It's like a minimus type, like running shoe, and just obviously the colorway is what I love. That shadow grey or steel blue or whatever you call it, the colorway from the original 1300. So yeah, these aren't actually my size, but I found them on eBay for a good price, and so cool for the collection, cool to have, and dead stock. And then last but definitely not least, a couple of pairs which are actually really similar but come from different factories. First of all, another 1300, one of two 1300s that have released this year. I only know of two. If you know of any others, please let me know. I might have missed them, but this I believe was called the Baseball Pack, and this colorway is the 1300 CWB. Really nice colorway, really nice tones. Love that pair. And then this is my first pair of 770s. And actually the colorways are really similar. I'm hoping it's going to autofocus properly, but again, a really nice shoe. What I was a bit dubious about the 770. I think the thing that I wasn't sure about was the lack of heel cap. Almost New Balance, a lot of New Balance, there's the heel cap, and so seeing a shoe without the heel cap was kind of like weird to me, and then I wasn't sure about this sort of double paneling. But actually having it in hand, wearing it, super comfortable. The shape is like perfect, and I really find the mix of materials interesting on some of these 770s. I like the way they've combined the suede and the mesh on the toe, and then it's almost like a nylon tongue, yeah, there's just some really nice detailing on them, and so it's a great shoe. Both are really nice. Normally I'd always shoot a 1300, but in this case the 770 is like, this is bangers, but I don't have to choose, which is nice. But anyways, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video, so my latest pickups. As I said, if there's anything that you like and you want to see in more detail, please let me know in the comments, and as always, like, subscribe and comment. Just really appreciate what I've been able to do with social media, and I know that it's only because of my followers and people like you that are dedicated to watching my videos, liking my stuff on Instagram, following me, all that kind of stuff. So thanks so much for that, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.